what's going on, guys? My name is Mike. This is going to be my first YouTube video. No, not really. I've been filming videos for a while, but not talking videos. I'm terrible at it, and I hate it. Well, I don't hate it, but just not good at it. Basically, I'm out here at my buddy's shop. His name's Klaas. This is where I spent the last probably 2 years building my Caddy, my Mk1 Caddy. And basically as payment for that, I'm going to help him with his, and we're going to do a whole bunch of body work to it. Basically it's a full raw metal rebuild. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah. So anyway, I'm going to show you the truck and kind of go over what my plan's going to be for it. I'm sure this is going to take a long time to do, but it's pretty good shape. It came from Western Canada, so it never really saw salt or anything like that. Well, at least not near as much as mine did, but so yeah, it's a pretty solid shell. I've already begun doing quite a bit to it. Swapping 2 round headlights, so I'll just show you the truck. Just one sec. Alright, so this is Klaas's Caddy. It's really stripped right now. It's just shell. The last couple of weeks I've been putting on this single round front end.
Yeah. But your guitar, God, it made me nervous. Your guitar would get him in the mood.
Came off of I'm assuming a cabriolet, but whenever he brought the panels up from the States, it was clearly on a car before that it didn't originally come on. It was kind of haggard how they did it. It was just really, really bad welds and everything. So we ended up, well, I thought the best idea would be to cut it in half and graft it into his original late Westy core support. Just because it was really straight, no big dents or anything. So it was pretty solid to start work with. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. Everything lines up good. Like, it's going to take a little bit of a skim of fill to make it perfect, but I mean, it's never, these things are thin metal, they love to warp and everything like that. But yeah, basically got the front on, cut it like along that seam there, you can kind of see, welded the top, and then put the corners in out of the other car. I don't know why I stumbled my words so much. So yeah, basically filled all the holes in the bay. Not going to delete the rain tray or anything like that. Wants to keep it somewhat OEM looking, but just a kind of a cleaner version. Next thing I'm going to do to the bay is going to be probably do the frame notches, because it does plan on being low and actually needing them. The truck is extremely clean. Well, straight, I mean to say. He had it sandblasted probably 3 years ago now. It was sandblasted, and we put some epoxy on it just so it wouldn't get any like flash rusting or anything like that. But yeah, this thing is super straight. It's only got a couple little spots I got to fix up, but basically we're going to strip, well, he already did strip the floor a couple years back and painted it, but that's not up to our standards. We're going to strip it even more, probably color match everything. This truck's going to get color match bed liner underneath it and in the bed. Yeah, there's just a few things I'm going to do metalwork wise, and I'll kind of show you those as I go. But this is the next project. Yeah, hope you guys find it half interesting, but probably no one will ever see this anyway. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so I'm going to pull this fender off just because it's just kind of sat on there with a couple bolts, just I was seeing what it looked like with the new doors from California. But yeah, time to take it off again and get back to work. So I just watched back some of that footage I just took, and I gotta say, I don't know if anyone actually likes the sound of their own voice on a camera, like on a recording, but I don't like mine. But there's nothing I can do about that, so I'm just gonna keep pushing forward and filming dumb videos. Anyway, today I'm planning on just cleaning up just kind of that seam where the corners are welded in. There's a few of the spot welds in the back I want to just kind of, I'll probably throw another little couple tacks on it and then just grind them down, make them invisible so you can't tell. Not that you're going to be able to see with any kind of liner on that, but yeah, we'll get started with that. I'm going to throw the GoPro on my head and we'll get grinding. Hey guys, so it's been a few weeks, kind of slacking on the whole filming stuff. I got some work done on the truck, but I'm going to try to start documenting it again. So basically I'm just gotta run around a little bit here and then go to the shop, but I'll take you with me.
Like in here and stuff, to get, like, why is everything so difficult?
Explain to YouTube people what you're doing to this car.
So we're changing the valve cover gasket, but on the 24 valve or on the 12 valve VR, you have to place the front clip in service mode. So what that means is, actually from the dealership you can put some slots in the frame rail so you don't slide this front clip out. I just opted to...
They probably make kits that thread in and...
Yeah, it's just a bolt that threads in, but I just opted to undo this lock here, pull it forward and set it on this crate.
Milk crate.
Which gives access to the front of this intake manifold. So there's...
Garbage manifold.
That are like right underneath here, you can't get access to, so... The previous owner of this car took this to the dealership and was quoted like $1,200 or something to do the valve cover gasket, and he decided that was going to be the end. So we're doing it here for free labor.
Now we see why it's $1,200.
Oh well, only $50 gasket for me.
What
why
are we
you
doing?
don't wait this many kilometers to change your valve cover gasket.
Just a little...
15 years and 16
crispy.
years and 230,000 kilometers and your valve cover gasket becomes rotten.
It's crispy. Alright, so update, since the last time I filmed this truck, I finished this bottom corner, turned out good, I would say. And then I found some more rust in here. It's double layered as usual, so that's the old lower piece. So it's all been cleaned up there. Ow! Ow!
Did you break my mirror off again?
I think so.
What, my poor car?
That was my watch. I just smashed my watch in your car.
Broke it right off.
No, I did not.
My Mint Mark 4.
Let's see it.
Ah, again?
Well, Mark 4's, the mirrors just kind of fall off naturally.
I'm gonna buy Mark 2 again.
You should. Alright, so then this is the other spot I did. So other than that, there's the frame notch to do in the front. And then a little bit of work on the seam back here. It's not terrible, but it's not already done, so guess I gotta get to it. Alright, so that's a long process of just tacking and cooling. It doesn't look the best, but it's kind of hard to do because it's not actually really welding. But yeah, so now I just gotta grind that down, smooth it out.